Okay, you got everything you need for the campsite?
Yeah.
Okay. Snacks?
Yeah. Dude? Yeah? I think we're lost. Oh my God! Idiot! How did you get lost that easily? Hey, get back here! There's the campsite.
Now that fence is electric. There's no way we can make it over. But I'm starting to get hungry. Oh, you still got those snacks?
Yeah!
Hey, you're a Boy Scout. Navigate with the stars.
There are none.
There are no stars?
It's day.
Oh, yeah.
What should we do now?
I don't know. We're lost. Hey, wait up! Hold on. I'm coming. I'm coming. Wait. Yeah, I'm coming. I'm coming. So we're here. We could go all the way here. And then here. Boom, we're at the campsite.
Or we could go here to here. We could just go from Ewing First Boulevard to Indianola Avenue, and then we're here.
I need that.
We can make you a warrior, take you the ways of the frog, Master Frog. It's okay, Twinkies. No one will hurt you. I will not let a raccoon eat you again!